Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and I have what I consider to be one of the more difficult songs that I perform on accordion. I don't perform difficult songs, but this specific Nino Rota song, the theme song from 8½, which, if you've seen the movie, I'm assuming the song's in your head right now, is particularly difficult. Now, usually songs are on accordionlove.com, the lessons and the sheet music. I've decided to make this public just because I want you to see how to approach learning such a big song. What I've done is, especially with Nino Rota, especially the composer Nino Rota, he likes to use themes and patterns in his songs. We see it in the Godfather Waltz. He does that in multiple keys. We see it in his Amarcord theme song. He did a lot of Fellini films, right? He did the same thing in E flat. We see the same thing in the 8½, theme song. I'll show you a little bit of the sheet music. It's available in the link with free of charge. The 8½, theme song. We have an introduction. And then we have different themes. We see a joy theme, which is... We see it different times in the song. Right now it's in the key of G major. A little bit later we see it in A flat. We'll see it a little bit later in E flat, the joy theme. We see beautiful dream themes in F major, in A flat. And again, once you're able to recognize these patterns, the song becomes a lot more easier to absorb. It becomes a lot easier to express yourself with a song. You don't have to perform the whole song all of a sudden. If someone says, hey, do you want to do the 8½, theme song? Sure. Let's make it recognizable. Let's do the minor theme, which we see a lot in this song, usually in F minor. There's another F minor theme. In which case you could play with another musician and just do the... Right? You still need the sheet music. You still need to learn it, but it becomes a lot more digestible. Instead of a 4-page song, it becomes learning themes and the patterns of your fingers, and it becomes a lot easier to express yourself, to play the song as a tango or as a polka or as a march or as given. Anyways, I'll make the song available. The link will be in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, this isn't a beginner song. I want to re-emphasize this isn't a beginner song, but the same principles that we use to learn a beginner song, whether it's Ode to Joy or Mary Had a Little Lamb or any of the beginner songs, applies very much to these more complex songs. It's identifying the song's patterns. It's being able to hum the song along to the left hand. It's knowledge of the chords. It's those types of things that will make this song's performance successful. And I wanted to share with everyone. Anyways, there's a free 3-day trial to accordionlove.com if you're interested in learning other songs, but this song is available for everyone. Thank you very much. Da 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 da. Hey, do 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 do. That's gonna really help you digest the song a lot.